Seng United Democratic Party kalabuk jengkeli Halor ke jinglong nong yalam jomba Vincent H. Pala kum Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Kum Menteri Sorkar ba unong mikmat ke Seng UDP uba lakmen Rymbui ukentu yo ba Pala ban Tohkit ba balai barok ke Dkhot jong ke Seng Congress ki mi nok na ke Seng tangmar shishim timu kum klik nong yalam ke Seng. Apa krem bagi nong Thok kubor uba Rymbui ulaong bahha ke jinglong nong yalam jong ba Palai ke Seng Congress ha ke jela ke Seng kala du no ya barok ki MLA bat wat ki kirtong ki batmu ban yakun na ke Seng Congress ha ke ni ke election ban wanru kilami no na ke Seng. Kajuk kepor uba Pala ula kenok uba Rymbui ula penlera nya la ka jong ke Seng ke ba udan namar ke jing bamla jong bantek la kam ke tenat ki kampok yeng ke ba ubat pat kum juru ke tenat puli putih. Habu jubat ke jeng kren jong ba Pala uba Rymbui uba deu no yalam berem ke Seng Congress ulaong ba dei na ke jing bambiang ke rukom yalam jong ba Pala ba ke Seng Congress ke yai peteng ban ma jing
I think he should introspect why all his colleagues run away from him. As soon as he comes to the state, the Congress lost all its MLA, and even the prospective candidate whom they have already selected that they may contest from the Congress. As of now, they are run away to other party.
I think Rymbui has really embarrassed his own party, where his own party demanded his resignation. And his own party, his own departments is fighting with another departments. The Home Department's under him, Education Department under him. So Home Department tear gassed the Education Department, the teachers and all.
Ka MLA ke Seng Congress